Welcome to another episode of Spiritual Solutions, where ancient wisdom meets modern life. Today's episode is called Healing Hearts Resolve Relationship Conflicts with Nadi Astrology by Astrobhava. Whether you are in the middle of a tough marriage, experiencing tension in a relationship, or simply looking for clarity, you are not alone. And yes, there's an ancient divine science that might hold the answers. It is called Nadi Astrology. So, what exactly is Nadi Astrology? Let's simplify this. Nadi Astrology is an ancient system of Indian astrology believed to be thousands of years old, written by great sages like Agastya and Bhrigu. These sages used their divine insights to document the destiny of every soul on palm leaves. Yes, literal palm leaves. Your life's blueprint, your relationships, your career, even your conflicts might already be recorded. Sounds mystical, right? But here's the magical part. This ancient script can still guide us today, including our relationship issues. Now, let's quickly understand why relationships need divine insight. Honestly, relationships are messy. Understandings, emotional baggage, cultural clashes, long distance stress, in laws, ego, etc. The list goes on. Now imagine this. You are a couple in New Jersey. You have been married for 6 years. The love is there, but lately arguments have become routine. You have tried therapy, even space, but nothing works. That's when you reach out to Astrobhava. We at Astrobhava specialize in using Nadi astrology to identify karmic causes behind relationship turbulence. Yes, your arguments, lack of communication, or recurring problems may stem from karmic imprints, planetary alignments, or past life debts. And once we know why things are happening, healing becomes possible. So how exactly does Astrobhava help you resolve these conflicts? The first step is thumb impression reading. You send us your thumb impression. Yes, even from US, we work worldwide. Based on that, we search the Nadi leaves to find the one that matches your soul journey. The second step includes reading and revelation. Once the correct leaf is found, we decode the ancient script and explain what the sages wrote about your relationship, including reasons for conflict, emotional patterns, and spiritual remedies. And the final step is remedies. Here's where the real healing begins. Based on your leaf, specific rituals are recommended: mantras, homas, temple visits, or simple lifestyle alignments. And don't worry, all our remedies can be done online, including powerful relationship healing homas performed by Vedic priests in sacred temples in India. We have helped couples from California to Texas, New York to Florida, and every time the insights leave them stuck. It's not just astrology, it is a cosmic roadmap for your heart. Let me tell you about Anna and Arya, a real couple from Chicago. Anna was on the verge of separation. She felt unheard, disconnected, lost in the marriage. Arya, on the other hand, believed he was doing everything right. They contacted Astrobhava out of curiosity. After their Nadi reading, he discovered Arya's chart showed a strong Saturn-Ketu affliction in his 7th house, indicating karmic relationship suffering. And what about the remedy? A specific Sudarshana Homa and weekly chanting of a mantra revealed in his leaf. Within 40 days, they reported major emotional shifts. Communication improved, the spark rekindled. Anna even said, "We feel like we are dating again." That's the power of spiritual alignment. Let's address some of the questions we often get at Astrobhava. Firstly, can Nadi astrology really help even if we live abroad? Absolutely. Our services are fully remote. From reading to rituals, everything can be accessed online. Even homas are streamed live. Secondly, What if we are not married yet, but facing relationship doubts? Great question. Nadi astrology is not just for married couples. If you are dating or engaged, it can reveal compatibility issues or future challenges before you make major decisions. How fast do we see results? It varies. Some couples feel energetic shifts within weeks, others take a few months. But rest assured, the cosmic seeds are planted. Healing will follow. In today's world, we often seek solutions in logic and psychology. And while that's important, sometimes the soul needs something deeper. Astrobhava brings the depth to you through the ancient power of Nadi astrology. If your heart is heavy, if your relationship feels lost, maybe the answers are not in another argument, but in a sacred palm leaf written centuries ago, waiting for you. So don't wait. Visit astrobhava.com and take the first step towards healing. Until the next time, stay aligned, stay divine.